Suprabhatam Sarvebhyaha. Welcome to the 55th session of Experience the Bliss of Shivananda Lahari. Today will be a revision session where you can chant from verses 61 to 70. As always, kindly raise your hands in the chat in the meeting. I will call you one by one and you can chant the verses. We'll start with the Guru Vandanam. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करल्लोकशङ्करम् सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये प्रह्लादवरदो देवो यो नृसिंहः परो हरिः नृसिंहोपासकन्नित्यं तन्नृसिंहगुरुं भजे श्रीसच्चिदानन्द शिवाभिनव्य नृसिंह भारत्यभिधान्यतीन्द्रान् विद्यानिधीन् मन्त्रनिधीन् सदात्मनिष्ठान् भजे मानवशम्भुरूपान् सदात्मध्याननिरतं विषयेभ्यः पराङ्मुखम् नौमि शास्त्रेषु निष्णातं चन्द्रशेखर भारतीम् विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे भारती करुणापात्रं भारती पदभूषणं भारती पदमारूढं भारती तीर्थमाश्रये भारती तीर्थवर्यन्तं भक्तहृत्तापनाशनं भवभीतिहरं देवं भावये सततं हृदि विद्या विनय संपन्नं वीतरागं विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदान्त तत्त्वज्ञं विधुशेखर भारतीम् अनन्तगुणसम्पन्नामनन्ताभिधयाश्रिताम् अनन्तज्ञानदात्रीं तां मातरं प्रणुमो वयम् गैर्वाण्या संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्यसंयुतं या करोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणीम् कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृत शशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटितफलाभ्यां भवतु मे शिवाभ्यामस्तोकत्रिभुवन शिवाभ्यां हृदि पुनर्भवाभ्यामानन्दस्फुरदनुभवाभ्यां नतिरियम्. The 61st verse, can we have Aditya Mahodaya?
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
55, no? 61. Okay.
61.
Angolan bija santatiरयस्कान्तोपलं सूचिका साध्वी नैज विभुं लता शिक्षितिरुहं सिन्धुः सरिद्वल्लभम् प्राप्नोति यदा तदा पशुपतेः पादारविन्दद्वयम् चेतो वृद्धिरुपेत्य सदा सा भक्ति सा भक्तिरुच्युच्यते
सा भक्तिरित्युच्यते.
सा भक्तिरित्युच्यते
Very good attempt. Just a few corrections. In the first line, the first word is ankolam. I slightly heard it as angolam. Otherwise, in certain places you have stressed on the mahapranas, but in a few places I believe you missed stressing on the mahapranas. While practicing, please keep that in mind and stress on the mahapranas. Keep that in mind.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Jayanti Ramesh, Bhagini?
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. The 61st verse again, please.
अङ्कोलन्निजबीजसन्ततिरयस्कान्तोपलं सूचिका साध्वी नैज विभुल्लता क्षितिरुहं सिन्धुः सरिद्वल्लभम् प्राप्नोति ह यथा तथा पशुपतेः पादारविन्दद्वयम् चेतो वृत्तिरूपेत्यतिष्ठति सदा सा भक्तिरित्युच्यते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Kamala Shankar Bhagini?
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. The 62nd verse, please.
आनन्दाश्रुभिरातनोति पुलकं नैर्मल्यतश्चादनं वाचा शङ्खमुखे स्थितैश्च जठरा पूर्तिश्चरित्रामृतैः रुद्राक्षैर्भसितेन देववपुषः रक्षां भवद्भावना पर्यङ्के विनिवेश्य भक्तिजननी भक्तार्भकं रक्षति.
Bhagini, just one observation. In the second line, when you combine Jathara Purtim and Charitramritaihi, it becomes Jathara Purtin Charitramritaihi. I heard a slight s in the middle. It will be a Jathara Purtin Charitramritaihi. But otherwise, it was very good. Uttamam. Dhanyavada.
Okay, thank you.
Up next, can we have Shubha Bhagini?
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. The 62nd verse again, please.
आनन्दाश्रुभिरातनोति पुलकं नैर्मल्यतश्चादनं वाचा शङ्खमुखे स्थितैश्च जठरा पूर्तिं चरित्रामृतैः रुद्राक्षैर्भसितेन देववपुषः रक्षां भवद्भावना पर्यङ्के विनिवेश्य भक्तिजननी भक्तार्भकं रक्षति.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
Up next, can we have Sesha Sudha Bhagini?
$63, right? Not Ram Ram.
Yes, yes. Ram Ram Ram, the 63rd verse, please.
मार्गावर्तितपादुका पशुपतेः अङ्गस्य कूर्चायते गण्डूशाम्बुनिषेचनं पुररिपोः दिव्याभिषेकायते किञ्चित् भक्षितमांसशेषकबलं नव्योपहारायते भक्तिः किन्न करोत्य होवनचरः भक्तावतं सायते.
Uttamam Bhagini, dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Mangalam Ramachandran Bhagini, the 63rd verse, please?
Okay. Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram, 63rd verse, please.
Margavartita Paduka Pashupatehe Angaisa Kurchayate Kandushamba Nishechanam Puraripoho Divyabhishekayate Kinjit Pakchitamaamsasheshakapalam Navyobaharayate Bhakti Kim Nakarotyago Vanacharaha Bhaktavadam Sayate.
Very good attempt, Bhagini. In the first line, it is Angasya Kurchayate. I heard it slightly differently. And additionally, please keep in mind the Mahapranas while chanting. In certain places, you did, stress on them, but please keep them in mind. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Anagha Bhagini?
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. The 64th verse, please.
Ma'am, I would like to repeat after you.
Okay, we'll do that. Vakshastadanamantakasya kathinapasamarasammardanam.
Vakshastadanamantakasya kathinapasamarasammardanam.
Bhubhritparyatanam namatsurashirah kotirasangharshanam.
Bhubrutpasya ratam namastushra kotirasangharshanam.
We'll do one word at a time, okay? Bhubhritparyatanam. Paryatanam.
Bhubrutparyatanam.
Namatsurashirah kotira sangharshanam.
Namatsurasharirah kotira sangharshanam.
It is Namatsurashirah kotira sangharshanam. Namatsurashirah kotira sangharshanam.
Namatsurashirah kotira sangharshanam.
Karmedam mridulasya.
Karmedam mrudulasya.
Tavakapadadvandvasya.
Tavakapadadvandasya.
Dvandvasya.
Dvandvasya.
किं वोचितम्
किं वोचितम्
मच्चेतो मणिपादुका विहरणम्
मच्चेतो मणिपादुकाविहरणम्
शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु
शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु
उत्तमम् अनघा. Please keep practicing like this, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
धन्यवादाः. Up next, can we have Jayashree Venkat Bhagini?
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram, the 64th verse, please.
वक्षस्ताडनमन्तकस्य कठिनास्पस्मारसम्मर्दनम् भूभृत्पर्यटनं नमत्सुरशिरः कोटीरसङ्घर्षणम् कर्मेदं मृदुलस्य तावकपदद्वन्द्वस्य किं वोचितम् मच्चेतो मणिपादुका विहरणम् शम्भो सदङ्गीकुरु.
Bhagini, it is Shambho Sadangikuru.
शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. Up next, can we have Sushila Bhagini?
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Now
Namaste.
64.
64th again, please.
Yeah. Vakshastadanamantakasya katinapasmarasammardhanam bhubhrittaparyatanam namassurashirah kotirasangharshanam कर्मेदं मृदुलस्य तावकपदद्वन्द्वस्य किं वोचितम् मच्चेतो मणिपादुका विहरणं शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
Up next, can we have Visalakshi Kannan Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram, the 65th verse, please.
वक्षस्ताडनशङ्कया विचलितः वैवस्वतो निर्जराः कोटिरोज्ज्वलरत्नदीपकलिका नीराजनं कुर्वते दृष्ट्वा मुक्तिवधूस्तनोति निवृताश्लेषं भवानीपते यच्चेतस्तव पादपद्मभजनं तस्येह किं दुर्लभम्.
Uttamam Bhagini, just one small observation.
Yes, ma'am.
The Mahapranas were not very clearly heard, so while practicing, you can stress on them more. That will be good.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Dhanyawadaha. Up next, can we have Janaki Rajaram Bhagini? Janaki Rajaram Bhagini, are you there? Okay. Can we have Padma Bhagini?
Ram.
65? 65, yes.
Vakshastadana shankaya vichalitah vaivasvato nirjaraha koti rojvala ratna deepakalika nirajanam kurvate drishtva muktivadhustanoti nibhritashlesham भवानीपते यच्चेतस्तव पादपद्मभजनं तस्येह किं दुर्लभम्.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः.
Thank you.
Can we up next? Can we have Sujata Muralidharan Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. The 66th verse, please.
क्रीडार्थं सृजसि प्रपञ्चमखिलं क्रीडामृगास्ते जनाः यत् कर्माचरितं मया च भवतः प्रीत्यै भवत्येव तत् शम्भो स्वस्य कुतूहलस्य करणं मच्चेष्टितं निश्चितं तस्मान्मामकरक्षणं पशुपते कर्तव्यमेव त्वया.
Uttamam Bhagini, just one observation. In Macheshtitam Nishchitam, when you're chanting it together, you can combine it as Macheshtitan Nishchitam. Otherwise, it was very good.
Macheshtitan Nishchitam. Thank you, Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Next, can we have Anuradha Bhagini?
Ram, ma'am.
Ram. The 66th verse again.
Yes, ma'am. क्रीडार्थं सृजसि प्रपञ्चमखिलं क्रीडामृगास्ते जनाः यत्कर्माचरितं मया च भवतः प्रीत्यै भवत्येव तत् शम्भो स्वस्य कुतूहलस्य करणं मच्चेष्टितन्निश्चितं तस्मान् मामकरक्षणं पशुपते कर्तव्यमेव त्वया.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. Up next, can we have Tripura Sundari Bhagini?
Hari Om, Bhagini.
Hari Om. The 66th verse again, please.
क्रीडार्थं सृजसि प्रपञ्चमखिलं क्रीडामृगास्ते जनाः यत्कर्माचरितं मया च भवतः प्रीत्यै भवत्येव तत् शम्भो स्वस्य कुतूहलस्य करणं मच्चेष्टितं निश्चितं तस्मान् मामकरक्षणं पशुपते कर्तव्यमेव त्वया.
Uttamam Bhagini, just one observation. In Kridartham Srijasi, the Srijasi is a Hrasva. I slightly heard it as a Dirgha. Otherwise, it was very good. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Janaki Rajaram Bhagini?
Oh, thank you, Bhagini. Last time I couldn't unmute. Okay.
No worries, no worries. 57th verse.
Namaste. Bahuvida paritosha bhashpapura sphuta pulakankita charu bhoga bhumim chirapada phalakankshi sevyamana parama sadashiva bhavanam prapadye.
Uttamam Bhagini, just one observation. In the first line, Bahuvidha Paritosha Bashpa Pura. The Ba, I heard it as a Mahaprana. It is an Alpa Prana. Please keep that in mind. Otherwise, it was good, Bhagini. Uttamam. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Up next, can we have Seshambal Bhagini?
Ram.
Ram, the 67th verse again, please.
Bahuvidha paritosha bashpapura sphuta pulakankita charu bhoga bhumim chirapada phalakankshi sevyamana परम सदाशिव भावनां प्रपद्ये.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः.
Thank you.
Okay. Up next, just give me one moment. Up next, can we have Lakshmi Bonagiri Bhagini? Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. Lakshmi Bonagiri Bhagini.
राम राम भगिनी. अमितं मुदमृतं मुहूर्तहन्तीं विमलभवत्पदगोष्ठमावसन्तीम्. अमितमुदमृतं मुहूर्तहन्तीं विमलभवत्पदगोष्ठमावसन्तीम्. सदय पशुपते सुपुण्यपाकां मम परिपालय भक्तिधेनुमेकाम्.
Very good attempt, Bhagini. It was good to see that you were correcting yourself. Very good attempt. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादाः. राम राम भगिनी.
Ram Ram. Okay. Up next, can we have Sandala Padmavati Bhagini? Ram Ram Ram. The 68th verse again, please.
अमितमुदमृतं मुहुर्दुहन्तीं विमलभवत्पादगोष्ठमावसन्तीं सदय पशुपते सुपुण्यपाकां मम परिपालय भक्तिधेनुमेकाम्.
Bhagini, in the second line, it is Vimala Bhavatpadagoshtamavasantim. I heard a slight dirgha in one of the places. But otherwise, it was good, Bhagini. Uttamam. Dhanyavada. Ha, astu. Vadatu.
विमलभवत्पादगोष्ठमावसन्तीं.
Bhagini, it is Vimala Bhavatpadagoshtamavasantim. I'm hearing it as pada. It is pada.
विमलभवत्पदगोष्ठमावसन्तीं.
Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद.
Up next, can we have Kamala Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. The 69th verse, please.
जडता पशुता कलंकिता कुटिलचरत्वञ्चनास्ति मयि देव अस्ति यदि राजमौले भवदाभरणस्य नास्मि किं पात्रम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Up next, can we have Arundat Mahodaya?
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Mahodaya. The 69th verse again, please.
Yeah. Jadata pashuta kalankita kutila charatvancanasti mayi deva asti yadi rajamaule bhavadabharanasya nasmi kim patram.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Up next, can we have Shreyas Narayanan Mahodaya?
Ram. I'm using my son's login for them.
Okay. No worries, Bhagini. The 70th verse, please.
Arahasi rahasi swatantra buddhya varivasitum sulabha prasanna murtihi aganita phaladayakah prabhurme jagadadhiko hridi raja shekharosti.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Rita Udaya Kumar Bhagini.
Ram, Bhagini.
Ram, the 70th verse again, please.
रहसि स्वतंत्र बुद्ध्या परिवसितुं सुलभः प्रसन्नमूर्तिः अगणित फलदायकः प्रभुर्मे जगधिको हृदि राजशेखरोऽस्ति.
Again, the last line, it is Jagadadhiko. I heard it slightly different.
Jagadhiko.
Correct. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. We will go around again. If there are any children who would like to chant, request the parents to please put their names in the Q&A box. We can have them chant first, and we can have the others right after. If there are any children who would like to chant, I request you to please put your names on the Q&A box. We can have you chant first, and then we can have the others. All right. Next, can we have Sulochana Bhagini, the 61st verse, please?
Ram.
Ram Bhagini.
अंकोलन्निज बीज सन्ततिरयस्कान्तोपलं सूचिका साध्वी नैज विभुन्लताक्षितिरुहं सिन्धुः सरित्वल्लभम् प्राप्नोति यथा तथा पशुपतेः पादारविन्दद्वयम् चेतो वृत्तिरूपेत्यतिष्ठति सदा सा भक्तिरित्युच्यते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Shamala Ramachandran Bhagini, the 61st verse again, please?
Namaste.
The 61st verse.
Yeah. अंकोलं निज बीज सन्ततिरयस्कान्तोपलं सूचिका साध्वी नैज विभुं लताशितिरुहं सिन्धुः सरित्वल्लभम् प्राप्नोति यथा तथा पशुपतेः पादारविन्दद्वयम् चेतो वृत्तिरूपेत्यतिष्ठति सदा सा भक्तिरित्युच्यते.
Uttamam Bhagini, just one suggestion. Given that you are chanting Naija Vibhum and Lata Kshitiruham together, you can chant it as Naija Vibhul Lata Kshitiruham instead of pronouncing the Anuswara as Dhanyavada.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Kamakshi Nagesh Bhagini?
Ram.
Ram, the 62nd verse, please.
आनन्दाश्रुभिरातनोति पुलकं नैर्मल्यतश्चादनं वाचा शङ्खमुखे स्थितैश्च जठरापूर्तिं चरित्रामृतैः रुद्राक्षैर्भसितेन देववपुषः रक्षां भवद्भावना पर्यङ्के विनिवेश्य भक्तिजननी भक्तार्भकं रक्षति.
Uttamam Bhagini. Just one observation. In Sthitaishcha, I heard an extra Mahaprana, but otherwise it was very good. Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Nagashri Bhagini?
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram 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 Bhagini, the 62nd verse again, please.
आनन्दामृतरातनोति पुलकम् आनन्दाश्रुतिभिरातनोति पुलकम् नैर्मल्यतच्छादनम् वाचा शङ्खमुखे स्थितैश्च जठरा पूर्तिं चरित्रामृतैः रुद्राक्षैर्भसितेन देववपुषः रक्षां भवद्भावना पर्यङ्के विनिवेश्य भक्तिजननी भक्तार्भकं रक्षति.
Very good attempt, Bhagini. The first word is Ananda Shrubhiratanoti. I heard it slightly differently. Otherwise, it was good. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Shobha Latamani?
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram 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 Bhagini, the 63rd verse, please.
Okay. मार्गावर्तितपादुका पशुपतेः अङ्गस्य कूर्चायते गण्डूशाम्बुनिषेचनं पुररिपोः दिव्याभिषेकायते किञ्चित् भक्षितमांसशेषकबलं नव्योपहारायते भक्तिः किन्न करोत्यहो वनचरः भक्तावतंसायते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादाः.
Up next, can we have Uma Devi Bhagini?
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram 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 Bhagini, the 63rd verse again, please.
मार्गावर्तितपादुका पशुपतेः अङ्गस्य कूचायते गण्डूशाम्बुनिषेचनं पुररिपोः दिव्याभिषेकायते किञ्चित् भक्षितमांसशेषकबलं नव्योपहारायते भक्तिः किन्न करोत्यहो वनचरः भक्तावतंसायते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Sridhar Mahodaya? Sridhar Mahodaya?
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
This is my first class. This is my first class. Kshamyatam. I did not attend earlier classes at all. But I was practicing while everybody was chanting. So can I do the previous verse better? Because I think I practiced that a bit during the class.
No worries. We'll do the 63rd.
Kshamyatam. Yeah.
No worries, please.
Yeah. मार्गावर्तितपादुका पशुपतेः अङ्गस्य कूर्चायते गण्डूशाम्बुनिषेचनं पुररिपोः दिव्याभिषेकायते किञ्चित् भक्षितमांसशेषकबलं नव्योपहारायते भक्तिः किन्न करोत्यहो वनचरः भक्तावतंसायते.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Just one observation. In the second line, in Divyabhishekayate, the bha Mahaprana was not very clearly audible. Otherwise, it was good, Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Can we have Kartik Sarangan Mahodaya. Kartik Sarangan Mahodaya.
Yes.
Mahodaya, please chant the 64th verse, please.
Okay. Vasastadana anta kasya katina pasmara sammardanam bhubhritya katanam.
Kartik Mahodaya, can we go one by one? Shall I chant the words? Do you want to repeat after me?
Yes.
Okay. Vakshastadanamantakasya
Vasastadanamantakasya
kathina pasmara sammardanam
katina pasmara sammardanam
bhubhrit paryatanam
bhubhritya paryatanam
bhubhrit paryatanam
bhubhritya
paryatanam
paryantanam
namatsurashiraha
namasurari
कोटिरसङ्घर्षणम्
कोटिरसङ्कर्षणम्
उत्तमम् कर्मेदं मृदुलस्य तावकपदद्वन्द्वस्य किं वोचितम् मच्चेतो मणिपादुका विहरणम् शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु
शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु
शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु
शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु. Shall I try now, please?
Yes, Karthik, please do.
Okay. Vasastadanamantakasya katina pasmara sammardanam bhubhritya paryantanam namasura sirakote sankarsanam karmedam mrudulasya tavakapa padadvandusya kimvochitam mateta manipaduka viharanam sambho sadangikuru.
Uttamam, Karthik. Please keep practicing and learning more. Okay? Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Up next, can we have Kamala Bhagini?
Ram. Ma'am, second time, is it okay?
No worries. Please chant the 64th verse again, please.
Vakshastadanamantakasya kathina pasmara sammardanam bhubhrit paryatanam namatsurashirah kotira sangarshanam कर्मेदं मृदुलस्य तावकपदद्वन्द्वस्य किंवोचितं मच्चेतो मणिपादुका विहरणं शम्भो सदाङ्गीकुरु.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Just one observation. Kathinapasmara Sammardhanam is a
You should
single
not
word.
stop now then. I made a
Yes.
stop there. Yeah, I then I found out. I made a stop.
No,
It's not.
no worries, Bhagini.
Katina pasma. Okay. Katina pasmara sammardhanam. It should be
Correct.
continued.
Yes,
Thank you.
correct.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
If there is anybody who has not yet chanted and would like to chant, please raise your hands. We will have them chant first, and then we can have people who would want to chant again. All right. Can we have Anita Arumugam Bhagini?
Ram, 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 ma.
Ram, Ram, Ram. The 65th verse, please.
Yes, ma.
वक्षस्ताडनशङ्कया विचलितः वैवस्वतो निर्जराः दीपकलिका नीराजनं कुर्वते दृष्ट्वा मुक्तिवधूस्तनोति निभृतश्लेषं भवानीपते यच्चेतस्तव पादपद्मभजनं तस्येह किं दुर्लभम्.
Uttamam Bhagini, it was good to see that you were correcting yourself. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
All right. Can we have Uma Lakshmi Narayan Bhagini?
Ram, Ram, Ram.
Ram, Ram, Ram Bhagini. The 65th verse, please.
Okay. वक्षस्ताडनशङ्कया विचलितः वैवस्वतो निर्जराः कोटिरोज्ज्वलरत्नदीपकलिका नीराजनं कुर्वते दृष्ट्वा मुक्तिवधूस्तनोति निभृताश्लेषं भवानीपते यच्चेतस्वतपादपद्मभजनं यस्तस्येह किं दुर्लभम्.
Very good attempt, Bhagini. Just a few observations. In the last line, it is Yachetastava. I heard it slightly differently. And also in the second line, Koti Rojvala Ratnadeepa Kalika Neerajanam is one word. Please try to chant it in one breath without taking a break. Otherwise,
Okay,
it was.
can I repeat it?
Yes, Bhagini, you can.
वक्षस्ताडनशङ्कया विचलितः वैवस्वतो निर्जराः कोटिरोज्ज्वलरत्नदीपकलिका नीराजनं कुर्वते दृष्ट्वा मुक्तिवधूस्तनोति निभृताश्लेषं भवानीपते यच्चेतस्तव पादपद्मभजनं तस्येह किं दुर्लभम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
I have not marked it actually. It should be chanted in one verse. That's why.
Okay, no worries.
Okay.
Please.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Up next, can we have Saumya Shriram Bhagini? Saumya Shriram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Ram Bhagini, the 65th verse, please.
वक्षस्ताडनशङ्कया विचलितः वैवस्वतो निर्जराः कोटिरोज्ज्वलरत्नदीपकलिका नीराजनं कुर्वते दृष्ट्वा मुक्तिवधूस्तनोति निभृता श्लेषं भवानीपते यच्चेतस्तव पादपद्मभजनं तस्येह किं दुर्लभम्.
Good attempt, Bhagini. Just a few observations. The Mahapranas were not very clearly heard. If you could please stress on them. And secondly, the word in the second line, Koti Rojvala Ratna Deepa Kalika Nirajanam, is a single word. So you will have to chant it together without a break in between. And also in the third line, Nibhrita Shlesham is one single word. Even here, you should not be giving a break in between. Otherwise, it was good, Bhagini. Dhanyavada.
Okay.
Next, can we have Mala Raman Bhagini?
Yeah, Ram.
Ram, the 66th verse, please.
Yeah. Kridhartham srujasi prapanchamakhilam kridamrugaste janaha yat karma charitam maya cha bhavatah प्रीत्ये भवत्येव तथा शम्भोस्वस्य कुतूहलस्य करणं मञ्चे स्थितं निश्चितं तस्मान्मामकरक्षणं पशुपते कर्तव्यमेव त्वया.
Good attempt, Bhagini. Just two observations. In the second line, it is Preetyai. I heard it as Preetye. It is Preetyai. And in the third line, the word is Matcheshtitam. I heard it slightly differently.
Matcheshtitam.
Matcheshtitam.
Okay, Bhagini. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Okay. Up next, can we have Saru Bhagini?
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, Bhagini. The 67th verse, please.
Okay. Bahuvida paritosha bashpa pura sputa pulakankita charu bhoga bhumim chirapada phalakankshi sevyamanam Paramasada Bhavanam Prapadye.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
If anybody has chanted before this, please lower your hand so we can give chance to the people who have not yet chanted. Okay. Yes. Can we have Sumana Bhagini next? Sumana Bhagini, are you there? Bhagini, we are not able to hear you. All right, we're not able to hear you. Kindly check your microphone. Once we're able to hear you, we can have you chant. Can we have Madhumati Bhagini?
Ram.
Ram Bhagini, the 67th verse again, please.
Yes. बहुविध परितोष बाष्पूर स्फुट पुलकांकित चारु भोग भूमिं चिरपद फलकांक्षी सेव्यमानां परम सदाशिव भावनां प्रपद्ये.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. I think there are no more people who will be chanting for the first time. If anybody wants to chant again, please raise your hands. We just have about 5 minutes. We can maybe have 4 people chant. Okay. Can we have Jayanti Ramesh Bhagini?
Ram.
Ram, the 68th 8th verse, please.
अमितमुदमृतं मुहुर्दुहन्तीं विमलभवत्पदगोष्ठमावसन्तीं सदय पशुपते सुपुण्यपाकां मम परिपालय भक्तिधेनुमेकाम्.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. All right. Can we have Mangalam Ramachandran Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini, which one?
68, please.
68?
Yes.
Okay. Apitamutam mugurduganti Vimala bhavatpadakoti mavasanti Goshtamavasantim Sadaya Pashupate Supunyapakam Mama Paripalaya Bhakti Dhenumekam.
Very good attempt, Bhagini. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Shobha Latamani Bhagini, the 69th verse, please?
Yeah, Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Jadata Pashuta Kalankita Kutila Charatvam Chanasti Mayi Deva Asti Yati Rajamaule Bhavada Bharanasya Nasmi Kim Patram.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
All right. Can we have Madhumati Bhagini, the 69th verse, please?
जडता पशुता कलंकिता कुटिलचरत्वं च नास्ति मयि देव अस्ति यदि राजमौले भवदाभरणस्य नास्मि किं पात्रम्. राम.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Okay. Can we have Setu Lakshmi Bhagini, the 70th verse, please?
Which one, ma'am? Namaste.
70th. Namaste. The 70th verse.
Okay. Arahasi rahasi swatantra buddhya varivasitum sulabha prasanna murtihi aganidha phalatayaka prabhurme jagatadiko hridiraja shekarosti.
Very good attempt, Bhagini. In certain places, I was not able to hear the Mahapranas. They have been highlighted in yellow, so you can make a note of them and please keep them in mind when you're practicing.
Okay. Thank you.
Dhanyawad. Up next, can we have Janaki Rajaram Bhagini?
Namaste, Bhagini. Arahasi rahasi swatantra buddhya varivasitum sulabha prasanna murtihi aghanita phaladayaka prabhurme jagadadhiko hridiraja shekarosti.
Good attempt, Bhagini. Just a few observations. In the first line, Rahasis Swatantra Buddhya, you should be able to hear a slight dvitva in the S in Swatantra Buddhya. And also in the third line, Aganita Phaladayaka Prabhurme, the G is a Alpa Prana. I could hear it as a Mahaprana. Otherwise, it was Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
We will have one last person to chant. Can we have Mala Raman Bhagini?
Oh, yeah.
The 70th.
Arahasi rahasi swatantra buddhya varivasitum sulabha प्रसन्नमूर्तिः अगणितफलदायक प्रभुर्मे जगदधिघोरिधिराजशेखरोऽस्ति.
Good attempt, Bhagini. Just a few observations. In Sanskritam, we do not have the word fa. It is pha. So in the third line, it is aganita phaladayaka prabhurme. And also, in certain places, I was not able to hear the Mahapranas. If you can please stress on them when you practice, it would be great. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaha. Thank you for all the volunteers, all the participants who chanted today. Anybody who was not able to chant today, kindly, you can use the next revision session to please chant. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you to everybody. We shall end with the Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः धन्यवादाः आगामि शनिवासरे पुनर्मिलामः